Hello everyone, we all know the kind of cases that have been increasing, especially given the second wave that has started in our country, India. I would want to request all of you to please take your precautions, wear your mask, sanitize, boost your immunity and take care of yourself, your loved ones and go out only when necessary. Let's be responsible citizens and stop the spread of the COVID-19 virus. I'm doing my bit as much as I can. I have created a highlight on my Instagram as well for all the COVID leads and resources, and anything, any requirement, if you guys need any lead, please do mention me in the story with all the details or DM me and I would love to help you out. Thank you. Stay safe. Good. Hey guys, this is Ashnoor Kaur and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Mother's Day is around the corner and I thought why not kind of pamper my mom a bit on her special day. I mean, every day we are very thankful to our mothers, but let's make her feel a little more special on her special day. So I hope you guys do your bit as well, and I'm going to take you through what I'm going to do for my mom. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm going to start her day. I'm kind of going to serve her bed coffee today. I mean, she was more of a tea person, but then she started liking coffee these days. So I'm gonna make coffee for her. I'll add brown sugar because अपनी mom की health का भी please हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए that they eat healthy. So brown sugar and till the water is heating, I'm going to put all these things. And coffee. I'm just going to put like half a sachet because she doesn't like very strong coffee. Let's go. Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Coffee? Coffee for you? Aya.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. First mission successful. So आपने देखा होगा कि मम्मा ने मेरे एग्जाम के टाइम she gives me this lovely magical champi. So I thought Mother's Day पे मुझे मम्मा को पैम्पर करना चाहिए and मम्मा को एक अच्छी सी चम्पी देनी चाहिए.
मजा आ गया. यार मदर्स डे रोज क्यों नहीं आता है? शोल्डर पे देना.
बिल्कुल बात है.
आज मदर्स डे का फायदा उठा ले.
Why not? Why not?
Thank you.
अरे कम यार.
कहाँ लेकिन?
So because obviously lockdown है and आपके बालों का हाल देखो क्या हो गया है. You haven't been able to go to the salon because obviously. So I thought that I'll bring salon at home for you.
वो कैसे?
L'Oreal Paris's casting term gloss.
चलो, let's do it.
चलो.
कौन सा शेड है ये?
This is 300 darkest brown because I know you like this shade and Mama is very particular about these shades. Although these come in like 13 different beautiful shades, but I've chosen this one for Mom because obviously matching her natural hair color. This will suit her the best. And guys, the most important thing is to wear the gloves for protection purposes. So this is like a user manual that we have, and the gloves. So I'm going to mix those two components and then also do like a patch test because you know, they are very important to see in case of any allergy or something. So because you know, everybody has like different skin types and stuff. This is the way. Okay, so I'm ready, and now the salon expert, please listen to the salon expert. You can actually mix both of these things together if you want like a bigger quantity, but because my mom doesn't have a lot of gray hair, so I'm going to take a bowl and like a color brush and mix both these components. Smell अच्छा करता है ये. Done, mama. So guys, this is super easy to use and gives a natural looking hair color, and the best part is it is not at all time consuming and gives a salon like finish at home in just 20 minutes.
Easy वाला करना है ना?
Very easy.
मैं try करूँ?
You want to try? I mean, you can do it yourself as well.
Give me gloves.
Ji mate. Ji mate. Mate gloves. Mate gloves.
अभी हम बनेंगे
salon expert.
salon expert.
Over to you, mama. देखा कितना easy था?
Super easy.
Oh yes. Okay, now you keep it for 20 minutes, and then after that you use this shine mask with royal jelly. It will give you that intense shine and glossy hair.
Okay. ठीक है.
Yes.
Alright. लेकिन coverage का क्या है?
Mama, it has amazing gray hair coverage, and on top of that, it's a no ammonia formula, तो वो आपका hair damage भी नहीं करेगा.
Okay. ठीक है.
Alright, so you get coloring and rinsing. I'll go. Guys, I would really want to encourage you to try this out because I personally loved it. One, because it has no ammonia. Second, it gives an amazing gray hair coverage. And third, it lasts up to 28 washes. So that's pretty good. It retails for $5.50 for every box. I'll be mentioning the purchase link in the description box below, so you can check that out. And it comes in 13 beautiful shades. You can choose the shade you want according to your hair color. And let me know, how did you like mom's makeover in the comments below. Now let's go. I'm gonna I've planned some more things. Come, let's go. Oh, la 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 la. Okay. See?
Nice. Shine देखो कितना
हाँ, look at एक भी grey hair थे कभी
अभी तो हम जवान. Nice ना?
Oh yeah, lovely results यार.
I think मैं ये shade और ये लेके आऊँगी अभी next time. And very easy to apply.
Oh yes.
Thank you.
नहीं रुको बाकी है. I'm going to do your makeup now. I'll get the chair.
Makeup?
हाँ, of course यार, Mother's Day. रुको. Baito. Okay, we're gonna start with the makeup. The base तो मम्मा ने already किया हुआ है. I won't lie. I'm just going to give some touches. Liner?
No. Just lipstick and that's it.
Okay, she wants to be a natural
Lipstick
beauty.
मैं खुद लगाती हूँ.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
अरे बाबा.
बिल्कुल नहीं. Smile. Lovely. ओहो क्या लिप्स. मेरी अच्छी लगाई है मैंने. मेरी भावनाओं को बहुत ठेस पहुंचा रहे हो. यही होता है, पता, यही होता है.
माँ होती है.
कोई मामा नहीं होती है. कोई कदर नहीं. मैंने जैसा कुछ किया, मेरे कोई कदर नहीं. चलो,
बालों का क्या करें?
बालों का कुछ नहीं करते. अभी you're all set for Mother's Day and I'm also all set. So now we have to spend some time together.
Alright, let's go.
Come. And last but not the least, I feel it's very important to spend time with your family, with your mom, your parents, because that's what they need and that's what matters the most. So just spending a little bit of time with mom. So guys, that was for today's video. I hope you liked and enjoyed watching mine and mom's bond and how we celebrated Mother's Day. Do your bit as well for your mom and make her feel a little extra special on her special day. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Fan of the week is Minakshi Dutt. Congratulations, very sweet comment, very lot of love that you've poured in, so thank you so much for that. And those of you who haven't been the fan of the week yet, guys, you can comment below with your name and have subscribed, so I might take your name in my next video. Till then, lots of love, take care, stay safe.